it's me, Bev. Today I have another very special unbagging. This package came to me from Shay, aka Crafting with Shay. I will link her channel down below. Make sure you go check it out. I love her channel. She did a mermaid series, so all about mermaid diamond paintings, and it was amazing. And she asked for my address, and I was like, Shay, you don't have to send me anything. So she did send me something, and I'm so excited to open it. So let's open it together. I have my trusty scissors. Snip, snip. A snippity, snip, snip. I'm gonna try not to ruin anything inside of this envelope. This package came really fast. Like, I got notified by UPS that it was shipped, and then I got it like a week later. Oh my goodness. What did you do, Shay? What did you do? I feel a card, so I'm gonna pull out the card. It says Bev. Big letters. Oh my goodness, Shay! Says thanks. What are you thanking me for? Let me read this. Aww. You are one of the coolest people I know. I'm so cool. Thank you so much, Shay. That's a really sweet card. Thank you. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. I'm gonna put my hand in here. Hopefully she didn't send me a spider or some sort of bug. Oh my god! She knows that I love wieners, and it's a wiener cover minder. That's so adorable. Look at this wiener. Hot dogs are like literally my favorite food, or one of, if not my favorite, one of my favorite. Seriously, that's so cool. Thank you so much. This is so cool, and it looks like it's handmade and everything. Some relish, some ketchup, some mustard, and a big old wiener. Perfect. It's perfect for me. Thank you, Shay. What else do we have in here? I feel something else. I'm just going like this, feeling, pull this out. Pulling it out. That's what she said. Oh my goodness, a little diamond container. Oh, and look at this. Look at this washi tape, everyone. It's gold. Focus, camera, focus. It's gold washi tape. That's so pretty. Let me adjust my light. There. It's so pretty. That's adorable. And this must be like a tray mine or a trash minder, or not a trash minder, a trash can, or you could put wax in here. It smells good. Shay, did you spray this with perfume? It literally smells so good. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. We'll put the wiener in there for now. So we'll keep the wiener safe. What else is in here? Okay, I hear other things. I hear one big thing. Oh my goodness. It's a Bella Art to Nicole. I already know. Oh my goodness, Shay. Thank you so much. Oh, it's a Bella Art to Nicole. Is this the Max tray? This must be the Max tray. Wow, that is pretty. Wow, look how big this tray is. That's beautiful. And just to compare it, this is like a normal white tray that you would just get like on AliExpress. Let's see, compare it to this. Oh, there's stickers in here. That's perfect. See, so it's like huge. This thing is huge. This will be for the 310 life. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's look at the stickers. First, here's where this tray is from. Bella Art to Nicole. Jamie and Nicole are super cool people. You can visit their YouTube by scanning this with your phone. Home is where the Wi-Fi connects automatically. So true. That's so me. Oh, what is this kitty doing? Being a silly baby. Oh, this turtle's being lifted into the sky with balloons. This reminds me of the Harry Potter vehicle. Oh my god, peanut butter vibes. Yes, yes. And then, okay, who is this? Is this Johnny Depp? This looks so familiar to me. He's sprinkling a little star magic. One of the earth. Oh, this one's so pretty. That's so gorgeous. And then, what is he doing? hilarious. Super hilarious. Okay, let's make sure we didn't miss anything. And that's all that was in here. Oh my goodness, I love this. Make a little nice thumbnail for you guys. Thank you so much, Shay. I really love all my presents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a very thoughtful package. I have yet to receive my Bella Art to Nicole Max tray, so this is awesome. Now I'll have 2 of them. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. Love you, girl. Thank you. And that's all for this unboxing video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, Shay. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis. I'm all over the place today. So, bye!